Imagine packing a whole art studio with all its painting techniques inside an iPad that you can take anywhere with you. That is Procreate. In this class, you will learn, practice, and master all the essential painting tools and functions necessary to create beautiful digital illustrations. Whilst illustrating a set of botanical assets, you will learn how to use all the drawing, painting, and transforming tools. Lastly, you will use all of your elements to create an infinite number of stunning plants. By the end of the class, you will feel comfortable using Procreate, and you will be ready to transfer what you have learned into any other subject of your choice. Working with Procreate means that everything that you create is already in a digital format. Your artworks will be ready to share it on social media, sold and print on demand websites, make repeating patterns, print stickers, decorate your walls, sold to clients, and more. Hi, I'm Silvia Ospina. I am an artist and graphic designer, and I have been working as a creative in the visual industry for about 15 years. I am such a big fan of drawing and painting that since the start of my career, I have enhanced a number of projects with my illustrations. I lived in London for 7 years and I used to have a beautiful art studio. I used to work and paint from there, and I designed hundreds of beautiful hand-painted patterns that went into stores such as Zara, Mango, and other similar brands. Now I live in Barcelona and I do all of my work from my iPad without the need of getting messy, and I feel more efficient than ever. I love taking it with me to different places as it allows me to get creative instantly and work from wherever I am. Mastering Procreate has been the best thing that I have done in recent years, and guess what? I will teach you everything I have learned so far, starting with this class. This class is perfect for absolute beginners with no experience on art or design, but also welcomes more experienced artists. If you want to check my work, you can follow me at socreative.art on Instagram. And for art tutorials and tips and tricks, you can subscribe to my newsletter and follow me at socreative.art. This is the place where I often share inspiration and how to use different creative techniques. All you need to take this class is an iPad Pro with Procreate installed. If you don't have the app, you can buy it for only $9.99, which is pretty good for such an incredible program. Get your tools ready and see you in class.